First, draw a big, round, cute eye. Now draw the second eye right next to it. And hey, don't forget to hit like. Make it shiny so it looks alive. If yours already looks adorable, you're doing it right. Next, draw a small nose in the middle. Then add a smiling mouth under it. Give your lion some personality. Now draw the eyebrows to make the face more expressive. You can make it playful or calm, your choice. Let's shape the face. Draw a soft, round outline around everything. Now move on to the head. Make it slightly bigger. This is a cute lion after all. Draw one big ear on the side. And then the other ear on the opposite side. If your lion is starting to look cute, subscribe now so you don't miss the next one. Now the fun part, the mane. Draw big, fluffy chunks of hair around the head. Don't make it perfect messy equals cute here. Let's draw the front paw. Keep it simple and rounded. Now the second front paw. Nice and balanced. Draw the two back legs behind. Small and simple, we're keeping it easy. Now start the tail by drawing the fluffy tip first. Then connect it back to the body smoothly. And finally, connect the back and tail together to complete the body. And that's your cute lion. If you enjoyed this, drop a like. Comment what animal I should draw next. And of course, subscribe for more easy drawings.